8/3 Greeting Card Workshop. A special gift for Mom. Mom, I love you so much. International Women's Day on March 8th. It's a wonderful opportunity for children to show their love and appreciation to their moms, grandmothers, and teachers, the incredible women who care for them every day. At Baby Shark Preschool, our little artists gathered for a greeting card workshop to create beautiful, colorful, and heartfelt handmade cards. What did the children do in the workshop? Selected colorful paper, stickers, and ribbons. Drew, colored, and cut out cute decorations. Wrote sweet messages for their moms. Shared stories about their moms and what they love the most. Unforgettable moments of our little artists. Our whale, dolphin, and sharky classes were so excited to create their special cards. Tiny hands worked with joy, turning simple materials into colorful masterpieces, each filled with pure love and happiness. Parents, check out these adorable moments. What did your child write in their card for Mom? Comment below to let Baby Shark know. Enrollment information 2025. Accepting children from 12 months to 5 years old. Whale class 12-20 for months. Dolphin class 24-36 months. Sharky class 3-5 years old. Exclusive offers for new enrollments. 30% tuition discount. 0% interest installment plan. 2-day free trial class. 75% off facility fees. Free backpack, hat, and uniform set for enrollments of 3-6-12 months. What will your child experience at Baby Shark? 100% English with native speaking teachers daily. Exciting science experiments. Creative arts and crafts boosting imagination and fine motor skills. Dance Kid and Zumba Kid improving confidence and fitness. Extended hours. Transportation service, afternoon meals convenient for parents. Watch more about Baby Shark here. YouTube, Baby Shark TV. Location, see on Google Maps. Facebook, Baby Shark Preschool. Interested? Leave a comment below, and we'll get in touch. Hashtag Mom Non Baby Shark. Hashtag Greeting Card Workshop. Hashtag Happy Women's Day. Hashtag Love You Mom. Hashtag Creative Kids. Hashtag Handmade with Love. Hashtag Preschool Life. Hashtag Wonderful Experience. Hashtag Enrollment 20-5. Hashtag Whale Class. Hashtag Dolphin Class. Hashtag Shark Y Class. Hashtag Bilingual Education. Hashtag Fun Learning. Hashtag Baby Shark.